Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you PhenQ PM Nighttime Weight Loss Supplement Review. So, you might be wondering what is this PhenQ PM that you may be hearing online. So, PhenQ PM is a nighttime dietary supplement built around the idea of supporting three stages of sleep-related fat metabolism: growth hormone release, cortisol reduction, and appetite regulation. Now, the formula is grouped into amino acids, minerals, and vitamins. Now, listed amino acids include L-arginine, L-lysine HCl, phenylalanine, L-theanine, and L-tyrosine. Listed minerals include chromium, molybdenum, and selenium. Listed vitamins include biotin, B1, B5, B6, B12, vitamin C, vitamin D3, and folic acid. Now, it's described as all natural, dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free, made without preservatives, in a GMP-certified US facility. Now, that's according to the website. Now, how do you exactly use this? Now, you take 4 capsules with a glass of water, 30 minutes to 1 hour before bed, repeated nightly. Now, the site states it's intended to be used alongside a healthy diet and regular exercise rather than as a standalone approach, and recommends 3 to 6 months of consistent nightly use for compounding results. Now, the website advises consulting a physician before starting, as with any diet or supplement program that you may be taking in the future. Now, as for the pricing itself, so a 1 month supply is listed at around $55.24 as of this moment, though it changes from time to time from 64.99 to 55.24 from the original pricing here, 79.99. Now, they do have bundles here like buy two get one free, and you can get it for around 110.49 with additional things. So you could get free things, a freebie, so you could get alongside with this package here, and buy three get two free, which is around 165.74 from the normal price of $399.99. Now, and orders are limited to 5 per household per the site here. Now, it comes with a 60-day money back guarantee as well. Now, with US and UK orders estimated to arrive within 5 business days, and Australia, Canada, and France within 10 business days, according to the website. But in this case, that's about it. So, for this video, avoid the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.